Now audible? Just type yes and no in chat box. Yes, good evening, everyone. So, I hope you all are doing well and your all courses syllabus, I think, completed now. And this expert session, we will continue for 2, 3 more session because I want to cover some more units, more tools into that, and I want to see that how you are performing. So we have discussed a lot of things, a lot of tools, how to develop a channel, and a lot of things. Yeah. So, but today we are going to discuss about the tools, which is very important as a search engine optimization expert, or you can say search engine expert, or you can say SEO expert, or you can say digital marketing expert. Any job profile you are going for in digital marketing, or any kind of platform you're going for, like you're going for a manager position, you are going for a technical SEO position, or anything. So for that, these knowledge of these tools which I'm going to tell you today is very important. In our next session, we are also going to see that how we can create a proper YouTube channel in our upcoming session in next week, or maybe I will take one session before that also, if it is possible. So, why these tools, knowledge of these tools are so important as a SEO expert. So this is very important. So what are the tools you require for this? Can anybody type into chat box what sort of tools you required for in digital marketing? Any knowledge of the digital marketing tools? Just name the tool in the chat box so that I can see that how much you are aware about the tools. In my first video, I have shared you. Just type the name of the tools which you are aware about digital marketing. Just type into chat box, like any tool. You know that this tool is going to help you when you become a digital marketing expert. You are actually working for a digital marketing expert. Any tool you can name into chat box. Yes, SEM Rush, Google Keyword Planner or keyword. Right, very good. SEMrush is very good tool and which manage everything. Canva, very good. Any other tool, if anybody having any idea about it? No problem. So, why we are using Wix.com? Yeah, it's for creating a website. Yes, you can say that it is a tool as well because it will create a website without any coding. Very good, Nandita. So how many of you have worked on Wix? Like they have created a sample website. I think Jasmine have created a website on this already. Okay, Alvin, you created on WordPress. Very good, no problem. So creating a website is not a thing like you need to know a lot of coding about a lot of coding and all. Uh, which coding we require usually for creating a website, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more for that. If you want to create a dynamic website, so you need some server-side scripting language like PHP, ASP.NET. If you are developing just a website with a small database, something like that, again you require for that. If you are developing a static website, then you only need a front-end development kind of thing. But nowadays, these platforms like Wix, GoDaddy, WordPress, they are already providing ready-made templates for that. So you need not to code a lot into this. Sometimes, or at a rare condition, you have to code the things. But being a digital marketing expert, you should have knowledge of this HTML tags and all, because while configuring or copy pasting some script for Google Analytics and all, we need to know that where is a header tag lies on the website, and we need to add that information into the header tag. So that we need to know about it. So for that, I have told you that you can go for W3 Schools website, which is a very good website, and within day one or two, you can learn HTML, initial HTML, which is required for this. And even you want to become pro into that, also you can go with that website, and you can learn more, on that. As a lot of courses are there on W3 Schools, and you can whatever the things you like to know about web development, you can go there and you can learn the things. So let me share my screen with you, which what we are going to study today. We are covering few things today, but some tools are really big, so that will take separate time. But I will give you overview of all the tools, and the tools which are required, like Google Analytics, require more time to work, like understand the things, the analytics part, how to add the script on that, and how to add the property on Google Analytics. That will take more time. So we take a separate session for that. Also, I have recorded a video on Google Analytics that I'm going to share with you if you want to see that what we can do with that. So how many of you are aware about Google Analytics tool? So the first tool which we are, there are 12 tools I have added from the bucket, like a lot of tools are there, but I usually use these tools. But when you become expert into this, so you need not to get any use any tool for that. Just a minute. Just I will share again. Everyone can see my screen. So we are going one by one tool. How many of you know that this page speed tool is very important? So I have run one of my speed test here already. So this speed test I have done. This is the first tool I'm talking about, the page speed .web.dev. So this is a tool from Google, and this will give you the report. And why this report is so important for you? Because it will give you that how it performs, how your website is going to perform. If I take this website, which is my website, iguru.co.in, that performance, they are saying it is not good. They are saying for mobile users, this is not good. So that is very bad, because most of the users we are having from on mobile phone, because people are nowadays, they are accessing a lot of things through mobile also. So this is not good. So what I can do to change this color, red color, into green, that we got the list here, and we need to work on that. So if you have developed any website, you need to test that website on this page speed test index jump, where you can check the speed test of your website. Why the speed is important? Anybody can tell that why the speed is important? Why I'm talking about the speed of the page, of loading speed I'm talking about. When any user requests for the page, your website page or a website home page, you can say index.php, it may be ASP, it may be HTML, any page. So that when they are going to request with mobile phone, so the performance is very poor. And you can see the criteria for the performance in the below that. Like this. So every content on the page, how much time it is taking. So you need to reduce this time. So it is taking too much of time to load, right? This is not good. 10.8 second. If I'm talking about home page, it is taking 10.8 second. So what should be the ideal time to load a website on mobile device, which is suggested as a SEO expert? Like why? And that, and then I will tell you that what is the time. Anybody have any idea? What is the standard time to load a website on mobile? If you know, then please enter the time, or no, to just say no. So ideally, the time is 3 second. Why that is 3 second? Because for mobile devices, yeah, yes, Jasmine, it is under 3 second. Uh, because if you are having a mobile website as well, then the page should be load faster enough. Then it is going to index. Otherwise, Google mark this page as a low priority page, so that is not going to be indexed on the top list. Uh, Maybe organic search can be do. So you can see SEO is good, accessibility is good, best practice is 57%, and the performance is 32%. This is I'm telling you for the mobile devices. But if I click on desktop, so again, it is not performing well. So you should go this detail. This is very important because these elements can help you that from where you can maximum time your page is going to take load on the different devices. So you can click on this and you will get the details about it. And these details are a little bit technical, but you need to DOM size. This is I have discussed on the last time. This is document object model, DOM. So that is why I'm telling you that you should have little bit knowledge of this HTML thing. So if you go with the like W3 schools, so this is a very good website from where you can learn little bit of HTML coding or tags about tag. It is a very simple website. You need not to think a lot about the tags and all, but yes, you can learn HTML from that there also. But this analytics is very important. Why I'm telling you? Because on that, this is the initial stage when you have developed a website. So I need to work it. If I'm talking about my website, I need to work on this. That is why it is not ranking so high. People are not coming to my website. I'll show you on Google Analytics as well. But if we change the website, let's change the website. If we take some website, some other website, right? So I take online.com. So I take this website. Let's see that what is the performance. So being a digital marketing expert, you should check this. So they are running the diagnosis for this. In between, if you're having any query, you can post your query into chat box so that whenever I get time in between the session, I can answer the query. How many of you have worked on this Canva tool perfectly? Like they are now become pro on Canva tool because I have given the access to the maximum users. So I think all should work on this tool now. This tool is very important, right? So you can see this is the core performance is again not good. Most of the website they fails to perform well on their homepage. If I go to any other page like sub page for this, so I take my page. I'm just this is courses. So let's see that which take this page. So you can see this performance is not good. Again, there are so many technical issues we need to resolve with this. But if we take some other page, so might be the performance is good, because every company want to put a lot of content on homepage, because and in their SEO criteria they target the homepage as well. Maximum keywords you find on the homepage. So that doesn't mean homepage always very important. Sometimes your product page might be very important, like my one of the pages like I have seen into the Google Analytics. This we are going to discuss again. This Google Analytics is very important part of being a digital marketing expert, because every campaign you are going to run on the website for the website, or the performance of your website, visitors, device, and everything is going to be checked from this. So you can say the vitals for this page is little bit good than homepage, right? This online course. But again, we are having some problem with this. The problem, a basic problem I'm telling you, we try to use higher resolution image in every time on the website. So this is not good, right? So the image size sometimes is 1 MB. No, that image size should be in KB as per the resolution required for to display that image. So sometime you need to reduce the resolution as per the, like if you are using same image which you are using for banner, and you are using same image for the thumbnail, so that is not good. So you need to convert that image into thumbnail. So that much of clarity you should have. Technical, this is not technical exactly. If we are having a small image for the thumbnail, to convert that image to thumbnail, don't use the banner image to the thumbnail. So that means that time that speed becomes slow. So you can see the JavaScript execution time is so high, which is 5.1 second. This is so high. We need to reduce this. So why this is so high? Because we are using some third party applications, or some third party application, or you can say a lot of things are there. So JavaScript applications are there we are using. Try to reduce that. Always we have chat on every page. So that is again increase the size. This is as per compare with 3 second. But this is not the thing like this website is very poor, performing very poor. No. So, but ideally that the page size, the page load speed should be less than 3 second, or 3 second, not more than 3 second. If we are going with the mobile search thing, let's check on the desktop side. So it perform somehow better than this. So I request you all, if you just go through this thing and try to understand this technical thing. If you have any doubt here, like to understand this technical thing, you can ask me on chat also. But being a digital marketing expert, you should have good knowledge of this also, and you should check every page, not only homepage. What we'll do, we check always the homepage and not the other pages. You should check. Homepage might be sometime heavy. That is, don't feel that it is a big problem. But the rest of the pages should be less than 3 second. Homepage should be like maximum or maximum 5 second, 6 second, not more than that. Even I am telling you 3 second is very good. So that can help you to increase searches when people are searching for your content or your page. So this is very good. So I think you all understood the thing what I am talking about, right? Any doubt till now? Okay, no problem. We move to the next tool. Another tool is Google Search Console. Uh, why we are using this tool, Google Search Console? We have discussed this into the blogger as well, right? So we update the sitemap. We can update the sitemap for any blog or any website added to the page, like this website, if I'm talking about. So discovered pages for this is 159. And if we check this performance, like page wise performance, so you can see 153 are not indexed and 18 are indexed. So you can see that why these pages are not indexed, or you can validate the page and you can try to fix the issue, or you can see the details of the page. So here you can check why these pages are, how many pages are indexed for search engine. So this is very helpful for you. This works well with the blogs as well. You need to add a blog, like I have added the blog here. These are the news and different blogs I have added: technical education, travel blog, a lot of blog, but I have added this website also. So you can add multiple websites on the same account, and you can check that why this page is not indexed, and you can request again to crawl on your page. And the crawler if you have fixed the technical issue, lot of technical issues we are having with the content because this is not going to be indexed. So you can see 18 is good, but rest page 153 page, and there are 7 reasons why they are not displayed over there. Exactly, free website. There is no free website, I think, Jasmine. If we are creating a free website, I'm not getting you. Like, website which is hosted free of cost, or the website which is available for users for free. Like, my website is free to access, so it is for free of cost hosting, right? The hosting, if you are hosting a website for free of cost, that means that is not your exact URL, right? That is a temporary URL, right? So if you are hosting that website with temporary URL, yes, you can check the page speed for that also. But uh, that will not count it as a professional thing, because uh, if you are doing something professional, you should have a website for that, and that should be hosted on your domain only. So that is good practice, but you can check for this for anything. Like, I'll show you, I'll clear your doubt on this. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I will open a Blogger page. So I go to my, so if I check for this page, this is my Blogger page. Let's check for this. It is going to be checked or not. Just a minute. It's a long URL. So it is checking for any page which is available on the internet, right? So it will tell you the speed of that. So it is processing on this. So let's move to different thing right now, where we are, what we are discussing. Yes. So we are discussing Search Console, right? So this Search Console tool is very important. If you want to index your website on Google, and you want to check that how your website is performing, which pages are not indexed, which pages are indexed. So through this, and why these are not indexed. So you will get all the reports here. Like, this is a crawl currently but not indexed. So what is the issue with these pages? You need to find it. This even you can go with the page also, inspect URL. So here you can see inspection done successfully. Then you can request for index again. So they will, the crawler will come again and they will check the page health if you have done the suitable changes on the page. So you are thinking that this is a difficult process. We have created a website only. But yes, this need to be checked as a technical expert or SEO expert for your website, that which pages are indexed. And that is your responsibility to index all the pages. right? Sometimes it will not index, it will ask you that we cannot index. And the updation of sitemap, let's see, sitemap.xml, is there any page to update? Sitemap is successfully updated. So every time whenever you create a new page, you need to do this practice, sitemap.xml. This you need to do every time whenever you have created a page. And that is same for your blog as well. By adding this, you can add the page here. If you want to add a property, any page you have created, you need to add a property. You need to add the URL for this page. Like I need to check that which page I'm going to add this. Suppose my blog page I'm going to add on this, and this is artificial intelligence. So I want to add this page. So what I need to do, it's a simple step. I need to put here and continue. So it will check the things and it will be added. So it is 159. Let's see that how much sitemap.xml it is updated or not. So it is same. That means that page is already indexed and that page is into this count as well. So need not to do that. But if you have added recently, you can do the same thing which I have done right now. And you also can run for the inspect for any URL as well. This is a wonderful tool. Even you can check the core vitals for this page, and you can add that, like, a lot of things are there. This is inbuilt tool again you are getting for your blog or anything. So that tool is already inbuilt into this, and you can check the text for the desktop also with the tool which we have discussed here. So that is already available. Again, this page is not performing well for mobile phone, and if we check for the desktop, so it is not so good for the desktop as well. So need to do a lot of things with that, like main thread works. This basically you need to select a theme whenever you are writing a blog on blogger.com. So you need to select a theme which is so light and which is not having a lot of options here and there and menus. These things I will take so much of time. So this is the blog which I have added. For this, we have checked for the speed as well. So this is the thing. I think you understood the thing which I want to convey to you. Like when you have developed a website, you need to check the speed for that, and you also do some practice for Google Search Console as well. So these are the tool which we have. Google Search Console we have discussed in our previous session as well. So keep in your mind, try to use these tools as well, like how it works. Another is Google Keyword Planner. So it is showing error. Just give me a second. So inside the tool, you can see there is a tab over there, Keyword Planner. So you can plan the keyword and the performance planner, reach planner, app. How many of you have worked on this? Any of you have worked on this Google Keyword Planner? Or it is good. There are so many tools which can give you keywords for your content as well. Search when yes, okay. So searching, or if I'm telling you that you need to add 10 keywords for your website, like which is a fashion website. So what do you think? What keywords should be added for on your website, and how you are going to add it, these keywords on your website? Just answer if you know about it, that how we are going to use the keyword on the website, and how we are going to understand that this keyword is performing well. Because if we think that my name is going to be highlighted, yes, it might be a keyword, but yes, trends. So you need to add some keywords which are having high hit ratio. So that is how you are going to understand that. So one way you can do with like a fashion. This is the simple way where you will get the keyword, but this is not the best practice we are talking about, because you are owning the business. You can see the cross cost per click, keyword difficulty. So this is the thing we are talking about. And there are some tools which give you some trending keywords location wise. Even if you are having a website on on hosting that website, and your prime customer base is in India, so you can search the keywords as per the area specific. You can say not in India, I'm talking about the area. If you are talking about Maharashtra, I'm in Maharashtra right now, so I can search keywords for Maharashtra location, that which is the most relevant keyword for that. And it plays a very important role. So the thing comes here, that is technical SEO. What is technical SEO? Or technical content writing, technical content writing. Link for what, Jasmine? Yeah, I will share the link. You want this link, Google keyword trends, or you want some other tool to use for keyword and all? I'll share that from where you get the keyword. I have one presentation with me in which I have given all the tools from where you will get the trendy keywords as per the location. So I share the link with you for this. So we have discussed about this. So we are on the Google Trends. Where is that? Yeah. So you can use this tool, keyword planner. Hide this. So how you can, this link you want, right? Okay, that page. Just I think I have closed that page. Okay, this one you want, right? I'll share into the chat box. Just copy that link if you want that link. So I'll share all the links which I have mentioned here. Like this is also. So I'll share it with you as well. You all can copy and paste it. So these are the link which I have. I'm talking about, which we are studying right now. So, so this keyword planner will help you. That kind of keyword planner will help you to plan that what sort of keyword you are going to use. And being a technical digital writing expert, you should hire that, or you can, if you want to write your content by your own, then include that keyword into basically into the heading tag. We try to use these keywords into header. I think you all are aware about heading tag or headers, right? If yes, then say yes so that I can go ahead. So let's see, I have entered a keyword, sample keyword, that how many page bid high range. So fashion product, baby clothes, you can see. So what I mean exactly, I cannot run tool in every time and show you all the options. It is always better you open the tool, start working on that, and If anywhere you stuck, just ping me, I will answer, or prepare some like questions. Send me the questions, I will take that question to next session. So that would be the easiest way to understand the things. But this is a very good tool, which is again a Google tool and free of cost tool. So you can get a lot of details about the tool, this. And also, if you want to go for further things, you can see that. So these are the options related to the keyword which I have entered. You can enter multiple keywords as well. It is nothing to do with like you are going to enter one keyword. So just use these tools for better understanding of that is why I'm telling you, take a project, develop a website. If I told you create a website. Then I told you create a Facebook page, create a Facebook page, and then try to create a ad for the Facebook page, a post for the Facebook page, post for the LinkedIn page, post for the uh, x.com. So once you try to post that and you are adding the keyword into it, that will help you to understand in a more better way. And also sorry for inconvenience. So try to do some practical on these tools. And it is not the thing like you want to access the tool. So it should be a project like just imaginary think about a company and create all the platforms, right? You can easily create a Facebook page on your Facebook ID. You should just create a Facebook page. You create a different account, social media account, create a YouTube channel as well, and create some content, and let's see that how these things are performing. Once you do the practical, then you understand the things in a more better way. This is the only way to learn the things or such the technical things. If I'm going to tell you every time that this is important, you can do this and this, so I am not going to cover all the things because I'm aware about that these things are going to do. So I'm always telling you the things which I know. Right. So once you do from your own side, then you get to know that which things like this is not covered in the session. So should I ask to the faculty member, do the practical and note down your questions and do one thing. You all are having my WhatsApp number. Just ping me. So what I'll do, I'll collect the questions and in my next session, I will cover that. I will clear the questions. So it is the better way of learning. Right. So we go to the next tool. It is very good tool. Practice on this. Trends.com. I think a lot of people are aware about this, why this trend is important. So, are you aware about these trends.com? If you want to create a blog or something like that, or you want to see that how many search volume for this topic and who have created the content, you can see that. And if you are having any channel related to this, you can also create the content like this also. So this is always a good thing to connect with the trend. You should know that what is the trend going on. Even you can select this by category as well. If you are into some specific category, you can do this category search by your own, and you can see that category. Like you are belonging, your work is belonging to food and drinks, so nothing with zero, that is business and finance, that is 13. Uh, so all category 216, you can see that. So if you want to see this, so these are the searches done in 24 hours. So this is very good platform where you can search the trending things, right? So which things are in trend and which you can cover if you are having any blog or a website where the things need to be added, you can add it accordingly. So you can take benefit of that also. This is a very good tool. Google Analytics. This is a uh, like this is the best tool which I every time used to say, and this is a very big tool as well, and that will give you reports. The report you can think of, it will give you every report. So this is a, if I, initially what we need to do, we need to add the property into this. Like I have two accounts into this. One is for my client account, which is Dr. Amit Medikar, and another is mine account. The thing which I'm doing, like these are my blog, these are my website, I have added into this. So this is what, this is called adding a property, adding a property to Google Analytics account. So right now we are going to check this padhaiguru.com. So you can see the vitals like information, some short dashboard reports. And once you click on reports, you will get some detailed reports. And I'll tell you, it will give you each and every report. Like from where your, you can see United States 4 users. So you can see 0 and India 8. So these are the things you can get direct organic search. So you can see that how your website is performing organic or direct searches. So you can see the user activity, on which page they have like drop down, everything you can see on day wise. So this is a BAP thing, you can say, I can say it is a, if you uh you have capability to read these things or note down the factors, you can easily work on your different things, right? So you can see that we will discuss this every vital, like every option in detail into my next session, and or upcoming sessions if we are having time. We are, I think we are going to have two more sessions with us, with you people. So there we are going to discuss, you can see the real-time overview, real-time searches. If you can see from real-time searches or like blog, you can see that. Even if I have opened the page, just a second, yeah, this page I have opened. Let me check that. You can see it will show my location. One user is active. If you open my website, just try to open my website, this padhaikaro.co.in. If I'll share it with you in chat box, so it will show your location as well. Just try to open that website which I've shared in the chat box, so we can see that it will update the things. And I have seen that someone has joined because I have got the message. Yes, just let me check. Let me check. And active user, number of user, block Padhaikaro 2. So location. Have you clicked my website? Just stay on the website for a time. Web, yes. Jaising, yes, Jaising, you can see from Punjab. So 2 users are active. So I can see you, Ludhiana. You have opened my website from Ludhiana. Is it correct? Yes. So this give you real time searches, and I will tell you, spend at least 2-3 days with this tool, and this tool is very good tool, I can say that. I will refresh it again. Let's see if any other have clicked on this. So right now active user in last 5 minutes, 1, 2 are the active users only. So this is a good tool, I think you can say that. And real-time pages, I can see that on which page you are. So this is engagement. A lot of things are there because this tool is very big, and reports, you can get the n number of reports. Like even you can get the report of like how many of from which device you have logged in, like Android or Apple or tablet, desktop, everything you will get. So this is a big thing. You can see the monetization as well, like how much you have earned from the website, and overview, e-commerce purchase, purchase journey, lot of things are there, lot of things. So nothing is, and so just try to now active users are 3, and if I want to see that, you can see Pimpri Chinchwad, Varanasi, Ahmedabad. So just open that, because and come up with a question. Once you come up with a question, I'm in the position of answer the question, and if you can even ask the question directly as well. So it's not the thing like every time like you're feeling that I should not ask. So you can see one user have from Gujarat. We have Mumbai, near to Mumbai. So this is two from Mumbai. So how to add a property, how to access this, what to do to get these reports. So that we are going to discuss in next session or upcoming session. But I will tell you, these are the tools. Don't think that if I am telling you, then only you are going to access this tool. Go ahead, open that and use this. You do a lot of mistakes, no problem. But at least open every tool, and this will help you to understand better. If you are not aware about a tool and you are opening that tool, that means you are going to open different things and you have multiple queries for that. So that is good. Exactly, I have learned the things in the same way. I am not aware about the tool. Even I'm going to show you one more tool, which is very good tool I found today, and that is the first time I have opened the tool, right? But this is not the thing that somebody have told me about this. No, I have searched that tool by my own. No. You cannot go for the website. This is not for adjustment. The thing is what? Uh, Once we add a property, what does it mean? So it means that you are having a admin panel of a website. So by having admin panel is what? If you want to add a property, you need to paste a script, right? It will generate a script for you. That script you need to add into the website header, and only admin can add that because you are having the hosting ID and password. So then it will confirm the property that only admin have entered this script to the website header page, header tag. That I'm going to tell you in my next session, that how we are going to add a property. So once you add a property and you confirm that that is your property, then only the website vitals or information is going to be transferred to the Google account. It doesn't mean that I can access any website. No, I can only access the website uh, like if I'm having admin panel for that, C panel you can say, hosting panel you can say. If I'm not having any credential, so I cannot access that. So, even you can run your ad campaign. If you're running any ad campaign through your website, you can get the statistical data, payment, everything you can get here only. So adding a property is like you are confirming that you are pasting that script to your website, and once you save that and it is successfully saved over there, then only these are that is that details of who have access from which device and all everything information you are going to get on the Google Analytics report. But it is a very good report. It is a detailed report of your website, blog, or anything. So if you become expert to read these reports, so drastically you can update your website, drastically you can update the organic searches for your website on any search engine, on Google even, I can say. So this is a very important tool which every search engine expert should know about it, right? So let's go to next tool, which is business.google.com. I think most of the people are aware about this. Google business profile. How many of you are aware about it? Say yes if you are aware about it. No, then please say no so that I can go ahead. Uh, yes, Jason, good. So you need to create a business profile. So that helps you to uh, search your business on Google. And initially, when I have created, like, that is story of 8 year back story, which at that time I have created a Google business profile for my business. Yes, yes, website admin can see everything, like from which, like, it is location, even they get the coordinates, even they can get the things like you know how this page is going to be displayed when you requested from a computer. What is the process of you have requested a page like google.com, how it is going to display on your computer? What is the process behind that? It is something like that. You are posting a letter to some location, right? Try to understand this, which I'm telling you. Suppose I have written a letter and I posted this to Jaising to Ludhiana. So I have written a letter. I added address of Jaising on the letter envelope, like cover, and from. So that is having address of sender and receiver, right? Both the address are there. Then I am going to post this on into the letterbox. Once I post this into the letterbox, what happened? The postman pick that and put a stamp over there, right? So that means it is having address that from which post office that letter is going to be passed. Like suppose from Pune, then it goes to Mumbai, then Mumbai post office stamp is there. Then it goes to Delhi, Delhi stamp is there. Then it goes to Punjab, like Ludhiana, then Ludhiana stamp is there. Then it is ultimately going to deliver to Jaising. So if somebody want to track that from where that letter comes, from which nodes that letter comes, they can easily track. The same way, when you are requesting a page on any on internet, so what happens? Once you enter a URL like google.com, so you request for a page which is google.com. But when you press enter, that means along with that request of page, your MAC address is your machine address, right? And your IP address and the address of your subnet. So these address are adding into this, and the internet service provider. Like, so these, the address of this is added, and then if that service provider have taken service from other service provider, then all IP address are mapped into that way. And the same way that ultimately it goes to the Google server, and Google fetches the page on the same manner, like in the reverse option, and you open the page, right? So that means, what I want to say, it is having information of everything. So whenever you are accessing, or any user is accessing a page, my website page, I can see lot of details. Even I can see that you have accessed my page from Android phone, Apple phone, tablet, desktop, or laptop, even more than that. So that information is sometime required. Why it is required as a Google analytical expert? Because I want to see that how many users I'm getting from a desktop or mobile phone or tablet or Android user or Mac users. Initially, when Amazon.com for shopping in India launches, so they have launches their website on for computers, right? And after 2 3 years, they have decided that they stopped their business more on website, and they now shifted to the mobile application thing. Why they have shifted to the mobile application thing? because they might have done some surveys, right? Suppose you are running a business and you want to see that how many users are accessing my website from mobile phone and how many are accessing from the desktop. If desktop users are more, that means you are going to develop your website or anything which you are going to do related to desktop thing more, and keep lesser onto the mobile side. If mobile users are more and you find that Android users are more, so you develop a healthy or good website for Android users. You have seen that a lot of applications are not developed for iPhone users, because in India, iPhone users are very less initially, but now it is increasing. So now they have sometimes what happened, I got this application for Android and I'm not getting that website for, not sorry, application for Apple. You might have seen that. Yes. If you agree on this, just say yes. So this is the reason, because they have done the survey, and that is a very important thing as a digital marketing expert to do the survey, and that Google Analytics will help you to do that. And it is a fantastic system. You will get a number of reports from that. And if you are very good in analytics, you can develop such a wonderful system with the help of Google Analytics. So these are the tools I have shared with you in the chat box as well. Rest of the tools we are going to discuss next time. But I think the thing which I have discussed today will help you a lot to understand more about search engine optimization and SEO. Till you have any doubt, you can ping me anytime. And I request you to become pro on Canva tool, because it is a right hand for you people as a digital marketing expert to generate a different multimedia content. It may be image, it may be video, it may be post, it may be anything, right? So if you face any problem creating any content by Canva, let me know. I will take that session also separately for different content, how we can create the content, because there are some small tricks into that through which you can learn the Canva in a faster way. But initially, I want that you do some hard work on the Canva and create some wonderful content and just share me. Hardly one or two people have shared me the content which they have created. Even the thing which I have posted into the even the lecture link I have posted into the group. Very less people I have joined. I think I can see the only 11 participants there. But no problem. It's like some people are busy on this, but I want every person who are in this like digital marketing group, or like in this into the field of digital marketing, they should be get benefited by this program of digital marketing. And if you have any problem, any doubt, anything, just feel free to ask me. You can ping me anytime. So that's it from my side today. And thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much, everyone.